It's simple time! This is Chef Tato and today gagawa tayo ng isang very healthy Chinese-style fresh lumpia. Let's start cooking! This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Itong recipe natin ngayon nga medyo maraming prep, kailangan ihanda mo agad lahat ng ingredients mo. But after you've done all your prep, sobrang bilis lang niyang gawin. Kaya eto na siya. Sisimulan natin yung ating filling. So I will just saute my garlic first. Ayan. So I'm using Golden Fiesta canola oil. Saute my onions. Yan, sautein natin. I'll add my carrots and we just dump everything in halos. Very easy to do. Yung tofu natin. Baguio beans. Yan, cut into small pieces, cut diagonally. Usually, ito siya, medyo may pagka-overcook siya gawin. Hindi siya yung medyo crisp. Ito siya, it's really cooked down until it's tender. But I will season my vegetables with salt and pepper. Very simple, salt and pepper lang yung gamit natin. And we let it cook down. So, we just allow it to, cook for a few minutes until everything is wilted and tender. So, kahit sobrang simple lang ng ating seasoning dito, the mix of vegetables will, add so many different flavors. And I will add my toge, bean sprouts. Mix it all together. And I will just cover my pan and let it cook. Gagawin na natin yung ating sauce. So, how do we do our sauce? Our sauce is very simple. Of course, we start with water, around 3 cups water. Or you can use chicken stock. Or you can use the juices from the vegetable, no? And I will add 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Yan. I'm using cornstarch here. Pero, ang maganda din gamitin for this recipe is potato starch. Yan. And, we just add sugar. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Yan, di ba medyo matamis tong recipe natin, itong sauce natin. We also add 1/4 cup of Silver Swan soy sauce. Yan. And for added linamnam, this is optional if you want it to become really vegetarian. You can add 2 tablespoons of Dato Puti oyster sauce. Yan. For non-vegetarians, you add this para may dagdag linamnam. Let's check on our vegetables. Yan. You see, it's already steaming. So, a minute. And this vegetable filling natin, matatapos na siya. Okay na yan. Then, I'll just turn it off and let it rest while I'm waiting for my sauce to thicken. So, you have to keep stirring it para hindi siya mag-solidify sa ilalim and you will have a difficult time. And, yung aking vegetables, lilipat ko na siya sa aking bowl and let it cool. Diba kung isipin mo, medyo very simple lang siya gawin. And we just add our minced garlic at the end. Just to infuse the garlic flavor. And that's done. We just let that sit. Our sauce is done. Ang palaman natin is done. You can stop there and serve this, no? Parang gagawin mo siyang lumpiang hubad. Or you can take it a step higher. So, what do we do to make it a step higher? We will add more garnishes. So, hindi na tayo sa pagluluto. We can add is, of course, meron tayong peanuts, adobong mani. Yan. Bakit ba tinatawag siyang adobong mani? Wala naman siyang suka. Pero, yan, ang kilala nating adobong mani. You can just, pound it. So, we make a parang ground sweet peanuts. And I will add brown sugar, no? Just around 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and combine it with our peanuts. So, very classic, di ba, pag kinakain mo yung Chinese lumpia. Yan, so medyo coarse ground. Look at that. Look at the texture lang. And, of course, meron tayong garlic. We love garlic in the taste of raw garlic. Option mo din dito sa raw garlic mo. You can add little water, around 2 tablespoons of water, and blend it. Pero, ako, I just leave it like this. I like it chunky. Meron tayo ditong lettuce leaves. And, of course, meron tayong yung lumpia wrapper na nabibili na natin sa ating palengke. Yan. And I covered it with a damp piece of cloth so it does not dry out. Yan. Cover natin. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon ay magpiprito tayo ng sotanghon. So, para siyang may konting machicharon feeling yung sotanghon natin. We just, dump our... Careful lang kasi very hot yung oil and medyo shallow. Dapat mas malalim yung gamit nyo, warning. Pero, sotanghon noodles, look at that. Oh, wow. Beautiful, di ba? Oh? Ito yung ginawa natin sa ating sotanghon. Yan. If you serve something na fried, yan. Put it aside, yan, let it cool. I'm done with my sotanghon. I will just crush my seaweed. Ito, gamit ko dito, nori lang to na prinito ko. Yan. Just pound it like that. And I will add it here to my sotanghon. Yan. Kaya na ng kamay ko yung init niya. So just break it up. Ganyan. Nori. Yan. Simple lang, di ba? We're ready! Yan. So, simulan natin pag-wrap. Ganyan, as sinabi ko kanina, yung ating lumpiang hubad. But we can also assemble it this way. Yan. Lalagyan natin ng dahon. Then, we get a little bit of, raw garlic. Then, kuha tayo ng ating palaman, ating sauteed vegetables. Sarap ito. Our fried sotanghon. Yan, for crunch. And our peanuts, our sweet peanuts. Yan. Be sure to secure it properly. Medyo mataba. Yun ang masarap. It's all gulay. You don't have to worry. Yan. Yan. And meron akong piece of wax paper or plastic. Ganyan. Okay, so meron tayong isa. So again, we start off with our lettuce. Pwede mo din lagyan ng wansoy. Of course, lagyan natin ng wansoy yung ating gagawin. Little bit of cilantro, garlic, our vegetable. Very satisfying. Ito, gagawin ngayon, gagawa naman tayo na may sauce. Yan. Yan. And of course, our sotanghon, peanuts, yan. And actually, masarap kasi siya when you eat it right away. Yun ang key. Roll, roll, roll. And of course, we put our wax paper. Yan. Very nice. Here it is, our version of Chinese-style fresh lumpia. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta, simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.